In this part of the video, I'm showing where we used to have our microwave. Well, we've moved it into the garage now, and in the later part of this video, I'm going to show why. So this device here, to my understanding, can measure high-frequency radiation from things like a cell tower, a cell phone, a wireless router, smart meter, things like that. So I think there is still things about this meter that I have yet to learn. However, I tested the microwave in the kitchen, and I'm going to show what happened. In this part of the video, I'm in the bedroom, and on the other side of the wall is the microwave, and it's running. So it definitely seems to be picking something up.